In today's video, I'm going to show you how to print your Microsoft Planner board in a simple and practical way. Now, Microsoft Planner doesn't have a direct print button for boards, but don't worry, there's an easy workaround that anyone can follow. Let's walk through it step by step. First, open your browser and sign in to your Microsoft 365 account. Once you're logged in, go to your apps and open Microsoft Planner. When you're inside Planner, head over to the left side and click on My Plans. This is where all your plans are listed. Choose the plan you want to print and open it. Now, make sure you're viewing your tasks in the board view. This layout shows your tasks in columns, making it easier to understand the overall structure of your project. Next, look toward the top area of your screen for a menu or options button. From there, find and click on Export Plan to Excel. This step is important because Planner doesn't support printing directly. Exporting your plan to Excel converts all your tasks into a format that you can easily print. Once the file is downloaded, open it on your computer. You'll see all your tasks organized in a spreadsheet. Before printing, take a moment to adjust the layout if needed. You can resize columns, remove unnecessary details, or format the sheet so everything looks clean and easy to read. After that, go to the Print option in Excel. You can either click on File, Print, or simply press Ctrl-P on your keyboard. Check the preview to make sure everything fits properly on the page. Adjust settings like orientation or scaling if needed. When everything looks good, go ahead and print your document. And that's it. You now have a printed version of your Microsoft Planner board, making it easier to review tasks, share updates, or keep a physical copy of your workflow. And that's how you print a Microsoft Planner board. Share this video and subscribe for more helpful tutorials.